I just wanted to give a quick look at this gaming disc. Looks a lot better when you see it like in person, and pretty easy to put together. It's very sturdy. Light can change, and I mean, I love this little setup. Very sturdy. Just trying to show you without showing you anything else. Doesn't take much to put together. Yeah. I'm gonna put the monitor at the end. I love how these lights change. Very relaxing, I find. Change it whatever you want, whatever mood you're in. Just you can have a separate light, hook your own, you know what I mean? Put a lamp on your desk if you want, or regular lighting. Other than that, this is definitely 5-star quality to me, anyway. Looks awesome. Great for a gamer or anybody, really. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick live look from wherever you watch from. Thanks for watching my video.
Purchased this little desk to replace a makeup table that I had here, because makeup tables are over $500, y'all. So this is perfect, does the job. It even has these little plugs here to fire up any lighting, or if you want to charge your phone. Yeah, all my makeup fit perfectly. They're fabric drawers. It took me like 45 minutes or an hour to assemble myself. So yeah, everything fits in it perfect. Better than any makeup table out there. And it was less than $150. Highly recommend, y'all.
They didn't provide screws for this portion, so if your legs just hit this portion, it will just come upside. You can see like it moves very easily from here. I can totally pick it up, pull it up, so that's the downfall, but yeah.